Kumar Devangan. Welcome to the channel English with Devangan sir. So this is the first day of advanced spoken English course. Friends, there is a difference between the course that we had been doing and the course that we have taken now. This is the advanced course. So in the advanced course, nothing new, the same thing but in a different manner. Manner is important. Spoken part is important. Here we will use less of Hindi, more of English. Less of written work, more of practice work. If you remember, in the very first video, introductory video of basic course, I talked about some tips. I am going to repeat them in a different manner. 10 tips, 10 ways today we are going to talk that will help you speak very well. Because I feel now you are in position to translate the sentence, now you are in position to speak English, now you are in position to listen and understand it well, and even you are in position to respond. How to do it very well, we are going to discuss today. Let us begin. The very first thing I will tell you is LSRW. Today I will talk in a different manner. I know that you know it very well. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Very fine. I am going to tell you something different. Through a picture, I will tell you they are associated with a different thing. If it is listening, you can call listening as an input. If input of listening is there, output of spoken will be there. If listening is proper, spoken will come automatically. In the same manner, if reading is there, writing will come automatically. And definitely you have to master all these 4 skills. So, in short, what we can do, if you want to practice spoken, listening is important. If listening is done very well, definitely speaking part will be done as an output. If you want to be good in writing, that is the need of the hour. If you want to write well, children, those who are appearing in examination, even the teachers, they have to write paragraph, they have to write letter, they have to write comment. Everywhere you need to write well. So for the writing, reading is very important. So my dear friends, how this everybody will tell you listening, speaking, reading and writing. If you have practiced these 4 things, you can master everything. But how to listen and what to listen? Why to listen is so very clear. How to listen and how to utilize them, that I am going to tell you today. So let us begin. Let us talk about the very first thing. How you can do listening. My dear friends, the very first tip, remember, watch English movies and cartoon with subtitle. In YouTube, even in the Cartoon Network, even there are different channels where the subtitles are available. Use those subtitles. Listen very carefully. You give your ear to the audio. At the same time, keep on reading. Sometimes we find it difficult to understand what is being spoken. So you read it. Put a pause button to the video. Repeat it. Try to speak it. Definitely it is going to be relevant. If you are in the habit of listening well, definitely you are going to speak it very well. So the very first tip to you is to watch English movies or cartoon movies with the subtitle. Second tip, the same thing but in a different manner. I hope you will surely enjoy. Watch Hindi movie also. Whatever movie that you watch, you are in habit, I know very well. So watch Hindi movie and act like the character. Now act like the character. Deliver the speech that your favorite character speaks. You deliver it in your own way. Remember that movie, what it is called? Om Shanti Om. One famous dialogue is there. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो, रमेश बाबू. Now make it in English in your own way. In your own way. You cannot value the price of a pinch of vermilion, Ramesh Babu. Interesting. It sounds interesting. Vermilion sindoor. It's a color basically. You cannot value the price of a pinch chutki bhar, pinch of vermilion, Ramesh Babu. So convert those dialogues into your own way. I am not saying you to translate it. Just have it for fun. You will enjoy doing it. Once I have committed, I don't listen myself even. Wanted. एक बार तो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, तो उसके बाद तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. Once I have committed, I don't even listen myself. So you will enjoy, my dear friends. I forget you. It won't happen. And you forget me. I won't let it happen. मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, तुम मुझे भूल जाओ मैं ऐसा होने नहीं दूंगा. I won't let it happen. So what you need to do is, what you are listening, produce it through spoken word. So that is the second tip you can do. The very third thing what you can do is record your own voice or video and see the expression. Listen the audio, listen the tone, the rising tone, the falling tone. You can record anything. Voice recording is there. You record yourself. You say something. You say anything. Suppose you act as if you are talking to your principal. You act as if you are talking to your class teacher. You act as if you are talking to a parent. You are talking to your friend. Because you hesitate. आपको बड़ी हिचकिचाहट होती है बात करने में, तो ठीक है, रिकॉर्ड कर लीजिए, खुद ही सुनिए कि कितनी अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं आप. It will boost your confidence. So this can be done. My fourth tips for you is, my dear, make video call, conference call, and make a promise you will speak in English. Video conferencing call can be done for 4 people in WhatsApp. तो 4 दोस्त अच्छे से छांट लीजिए जो इंग्लिश विद देवानंद सर देख रहे हैं, या जो इंग्लिश सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, जो वास्तव में इसके लिए सीरियस हैं और अभ्यास कर रहे हैं. क्यों ना आप उनको अपने साथ लेते हैं. उनको अपने साथ लीजिए, अभ्यास कीजिए, कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल कीजिए, और जो मन में आता है बोलिए. हर सिचुएशन में बोलिए, चाहे आप खुश हैं, चाहे आप नाराज हैं, चाहे आप दुखी हैं, चाहे आप डर रहे हैं, जो भी फियर है, एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ. शुरुआत कीजिए ऑडियो कॉल से, ताकि एक दूसरे को देख के जो शर्माना, घबराना, हिचकिचाना 2-4 दिन हैबिट हो जाने के बाद में वीडियो कॉल पे आइए, so that you can see the expression of others also. That is also a part of learning. So my dear friends, through listening, everything is coming. If listening is done properly, through the subtitle, through the movie dialogues, or through the recording of your own voice, you can record your own video, and then making conference call. Then we turn down to the fifth one. What we can do is watch videos daily on YouTube as you are doing it now. अभी आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं इंग्लिश विद देवानंद सर, इस तरीके से YouTube में और भी दूसरी वीडियोस देखिए. एक ही वीडियो को 2 बार देखिए. एक्ट लाइक अ टीचर, कॉपी द टीचर. जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जस्ट ट्राई टू कॉपी डाउन एंड यू विल फाइंड दैट यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल. लेट्स मूव टू आवर 6th tips of the day. Remember, so far I was telling you about listening. How listening helps you to produce what you have listened. It helps you to speak very well. Now, if reading is the input, writing is the output. So how? What you need to do is read messages, articles on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube comments. When you watch whatever channel you watch English with Devanand sir, you will find in every video there are lots of comments. Read them, give time. In Facebook, read the article that is there in English. In Instagram, read something, some articles are there, and start commenting on them. In the beginning, you can start with 1-line comment. In Facebook, post something in English that is 1 line, and then 2 line, then 3 line. It will help you write very well. So reading will help you how to write very well. My dear friends, you spend a lot of time in WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So let us make better use of it. आप Facebook में, WhatsApp में, Instagram में बहुत समय यदि व्यतीत करते हैं, नेचुरली करते हैं, क्योंकि यही एक अभी आपके पास में समय बिताने का माध्यम रह गया है, तो क्यों ना उसे बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज किया जाए. That is very important. Now the next tip, moving to the 7th one, start making diary entry. Yes, diary is one thing that nobody will read until and unless you want. It will always be with you. So whatever has happened throughout the day, write in your own English, without taking care of grammar, without taking care of spelling, but keep on writing. My dear friend, this is the best way you can improve your writing skill, you can improve your grammar, you can improve your spoken part. Start writing diaries. And I want to listen, I want to read a comment from you. Yes sir, I promise I will start writing diary today. I want to see how many hands are up. How many of you, those who are watching this video, I am telling you, mention it in the comment box. Yes sir, I have started writing diary. Yes sir, I will start writing diary from today. I will be very happy to read your comments. Because diary is one thing, there you can freely express yourself. जो कुछ भी दिन भर हुआ आप उसमें लिखिए. Write it in English. It will give you good practice. और आप 2 साल बाद 3 साल बाद जब आप पढ़ेंगे, आप स्वयं बहुत खुश होंगे कि मैंने उस दिन उस समय ये किया था, ये मेरे साथ में हुआ था. That will help you memorize the thing as well. It will give you a chance to enjoy and live the same moment again. Coming down to the 8th tips of the day, read hoardings and signboards. आप सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जा रहे हैं, आप सिटी में जा रहे हैं, आप किसी दूसरे शहर में जा रहे हैं, आप कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, everywhere you see the advertisement. Read them. If it is written in English, it will give you not only spellings but also a good insight. If you read, it comes in your tongue and you speak it well. So reading is very important. So while going there, whether you are in bike or car or you are traveling by bus, whatever, but your practice is going on right from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. सो के उठने से लेकर रात के सोने तक इंग्लिश का आप अभ्यास करें, जुनून की हद तक. ऐसा जुनून होना चाहिए माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. देन यू कैन से यस, यू आर मेकिंग एफर्ट्स टू लर्न इंग्लिश. और ये बहुत आसान है. इसके लिए ना आपको कुछ खर्च करने की आवश्यकता है, ना एडिशनल समय देने की आवश्यकता है. आप अपने रूटीन के काम के साथ ही साथ में ये काम कर रहे हैं. एंड द 9th टिप्स, वेरी सिंपल. डोंट ट्राई टू स्पीक टू फास्ट. कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोलूंगा तब लोगों को एहसास होगा कि मैं बहुत अच्छा अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ या बोलती हूँ. Actually when you came I thought that I should get ready, but I am very sorry that I could not get ready. But you don't mind it, I will take just 5 minutes, I will just change my dress and I will come to you. Don't worry. And then we will go to the market and we will meet Millie there and she will be waiting for us, and then we will go to hotel and then we will eat food and I will come back because I have to do my homework. If I will not do the homework, my mathematics teacher will be very much mad. My dear friends, जरूरी नहीं है बहुत तेज बोलना. पहली बात तो ये, अंग्रेजी बोलना इज नॉट अ मेजरमेंट फॉर स्मार्ट पीपल और इंटेलिजेंट पीपल. अंग्रेजी, इंग्लिश इज अ लैंग्वेज एंड लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ मेजरमेंट फॉर इंटेलिजेंस. लैंग्वेज इज अ मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. इट इज रियली श्योर दैट वी मस्ट लर्न एनी लैंग्वेज. इट enriches us, but it is not a measurement for intelligence. But to survive in this world, we need to learn English. English is a global language, and that's why we are learning it, and that's why we are getting it. That's why you are watching me, and I am making videos for you, so that we can fulfill this purpose. My dear friends, बहुत तेज बोलना अंग्रेजी, बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलने की निशानी नहीं. आप धीरे धीरे बोलते. I was waiting for you. It's good that you came. Now just give me 5 minutes. I'll get ready. Then we will go to market. क्या गलत है? बोलिए आराम से, धीरे धीरे बोलिए. Take proper pause And the last tips, very important, very important, don't give up. Don't give up. कुछ लोग होते हैं सीखते हैं, कुछ दिन अच्छा लगता है, 5 दिन उन्होंने वीडियो देखा, 10 दिन उन्होंने वीडियो देखा, कमेंट भी किया, लाइक भी किया, सब्सक्राइब भी किया, नोट्स भी बनाए, एंड देन अरे यार मेरे बस की बात नहीं है, मैं नहीं सीख सकता, मैं नहीं सीख सकती. नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, nothing is impossible in this world. Even the word impossible says itself, I am possible. Yes, English is possible. And definitely with Devangan sir it is possible if you have patience and dedication for the teacher. So don't ever give up. Keep trying, keep speaking and follow the tips, 10 tips that I have given today. Just गांठ बांध के रख लीजिए कि यदि आप इन 10 चीजों का पालन करते हैं, definitely you are going to do very well and you are going to cross the stage of fluency level, and one day after this series surely you will be able to speak. Keep watching English with Devangan sir. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.